English we speak.
From bbclearningenglish.com.
Hello and welcome to the English We Speak. With me, Feifei.
And me, Neil.
In this program, we have an expression you can use to describe someone who talks confidently about a topic, but might not actually know that much about it.
Which reminds me, Feifei, did I tell you that I've started a new evening course?
No, what's it in?
Well, see if you can guess. My lords, ladies and gentlemen, it is indeed an immense honour and privilege to stand here before you on this great occasion and humbly offer my thoughts...
Neil, what are you going on about?
Public speaking. It's my new course.
Right. Well, you can certainly talk the talk.
Oh, good. That's the whole point.
That's not really a compliment. When we say someone can talk the talk, it means they talk a lot about a subject, but they might not really know that much about it, even if they sound confident.
How dare you? Well, let's hear some examples of this expression in action.
Oh no, not another meeting chaired by Bin. He could certainly talk the talk, but he actually knows nothing.
OK, go in there, talk the talk and get out before they realise we don't have a clue about marketing.
It's one thing talking the talk, but we need action. We need someone who can walk the walk.
You're listening to the English We Speak from BBC Learning English. In this programme, we're looking at the expression talk the talk. It refers to people who talk confidently on a topic without necessarily knowing much about it.
That's right, Feifei. You know, you're really quite knowledgeable about the English language, aren't you?
Thanks.
I mean, you don't just talk the talk, you can walk the walk too.
Absolutely. As you heard in the earlier example and just then from Neil, the opposite of talk the talk is walk the walk.
That refers to someone who shows their abilities through action, not just talking.
Like you, Neil.
You know what? I think I'll give up that public speaking course and join a hiking club to learn how to walk the walk.
Ah, good idea.
Bye.
Bye.
The English we speak.
From the BBC.
Hi everyone, we hope you enjoyed that video and thank you very much for watching. We have so many more just like it, so if you don't want to miss a single one, make sure to subscribe and we will see you regularly. Hope to see you soon. Bye guys.